Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're just going to create a quick video here, a demonstration on how to work the transition feature. So let's go ahead and show you here by adding a few scenes. Let's just go ahead and put adventure, let it load. And don't forget too, when you are putting the scenes, every once in a while you might see an object or a character. And so some of these scenes are already populated with things. And there's the length of it there. We're a little bit over 4 seconds. Let's just add another scene. And let's add the circus next. Maybe you want to preview it right now and see what it looks like. Right now it's rendering. And you can see that there is no transition between the two scenes. Now, the transition part's right where it says select right here. You click on that, you've got a drop-down menu. And let's go ahead and do a slide down. And while we're at it, let's add another scene here. Let's mix it up a little bit. And this is kind of an interesting scene, Heroes. It is about 7 seconds long. So from the second scene to the third scene, we're going to go ahead and put a transition here. And this one we did slide down. This one, let's go ahead and let's show you what 1982 loading looks like. Let's go ahead and preview everything. All right, so now you got an idea. Now, if you look to the right-hand corner, it was still processing the characters. Let's do it again because it didn't render everything completely. But in this little 15-second clip here, you got a chance to see how the transitions worked. All right, so let me show it to you one more time here. We're going to go to preview, and we'll get a chance to see the whole clip there of all 3 scenes with the transitions. There's the first scene, transition. Second scene, and transition. All right, so now you've got 3 different scenes right there. And again, that's an example of how the transition goes from one to the other. This was a slide down. Let's just do a slide up this time. And instead of 1982 loading, let's go ahead and do a slide left. So let's go ahead and take that from the top. We're going to preview it. Okay, there's your scene and there's your transition. And once again, another transition. This just gives you an idea of how you can work the transitions in. It really adds a nice touch when you're putting together any sort of explainer type videos, for instance. Thanks again, guys, for watching. See you real soon.